in today's video, I'm gonna do another eyeshadow review. Well, the last video wasn't an eyeshadow review, but this video is gonna be an eyeshadow review for the kids, okay? Like, yeah. So in today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing, finally, because I wanted it so long, and I finally got it, and it's been out of stock forever. Like, when I wanted it, it was out of stock. So I was, like, really shook. And last time, it got out of stock in 2 seconds, so I had to grab it, bitch. It's the Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And I'm so excited. So this is what it looks like. Ah! So yeah, guys, this is what it looks like. It's like, the feel is so luxurious. And it's like a faux leather packaging, and it says blood sugar on it. Duh. But yeah, before we get into it, I gotta say something. I'm happy because I ordered it off of Beautylish, and it came the next day because there's a factory, a Beautylish in Philly. So guys, if you in Philly and you want to order something off of Beautylish, do it because it's gonna come the next day. And that was everything. I was shook when they said it was gonna come tomorrow. I was like, what? See, a Beautylish, I love them so much because like they gave me a handwritten letter. Like, I feel so special. Like, hi Johnny, welcome to Beautylish. Hope you love your new Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette and see you again soon. It's handwritten. Look, that's so cute. I love Beautylish. Also, they gave me a sample of Bioderma Pore Refiner. I used it today. It was pretty good. And also, when you order something from Jeffree Star, it comes with a tissue paper full of like his tattoos, which is really cool. So yeah, shout out to Beautylish. I love you guys. And no, this is not sponsored by Beautylish. I wish it was. I love Beautylish. Thank you so much. Anyway, so yeah, this is the component it comes in. You just slide it out. And your palette is right here. So let's get into how it looks like. I always wanted it because look, it's like, it comes like that. Like, you gotta like flip out. That's so cool. It's kind of hard to open though. So this is the colors. Hey y'all. So this is the color. This is what it looks like. So fucking cute. I love all the colors in here, and they're so unique. It gives me a lot of like creativity. So I'm living for it. So yeah, I'm gonna swatch a couple of them just to get like a consensus about what's about. So let's get to swatching some. Alright. So the first color I'm gonna swatch is Root Canal, which is this Barney purple color, and I'm living for it. Yo, this is my first time ever like, oh my god, it's so buttery and smooth. This is what, okay miss Jeffree. Bitch, it's pigmented. I don't even, that's like the first swipe. I can't wait to do a look. That's all I gotta say. Because purples are hard to make. And look how fucking pigmented that was. The next color I'm gonna swatch is called Cavity. Which is this pink color right here. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm honestly living for this, alright? Oh my fucking, I love this palette so far, and I didn't even put it on my eyes yet. I'm so excited. So the next color I'm gonna swatch is called Donor, which is this metallic one right here. Ooh. Okay, Miss Jeff, I see you, hun. Okay. Ah! What the fuck? Alright. Come on, bitch. You fucking in my video, ho. Alright. So yeah. Oh wow. It's fucking stunning. Sorry about that. Anyway, then the last color I'm gonna swatch for you guys is called fucking Fit. Yeah guys, the last color I'm gonna swatch is called Blood Sugar, which is the star of the palette. And yeah, it's right here. I had to wipe away the swatches. And some of the root canal does stain. So if you're like worried about that, look, see? Like, I still have some purple after washing my hands. After taking it off. See, and it did kind of stain my arm. Like right here. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. Anyway. See, I'm gonna swatch Blood Sugar. It's like this color right here. Oh. It's kind of like a satiny red. It's not really like a full-on matte. But on camera it is a matte. But not on my finger. Anyway, let me do an eyeshadow look for y'all. This eyeshadow look. So I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. So let me do it. After I've done that, I'm gonna set that primer with Glucose, the white color. Okay y'all, so I did that. So now I'm gonna go into shade Tongue Pop right here, and I'm gonna put it on my crease as a transition shade. Going through the gigs because I honestly don't know what to do to put as my lower transition shade. I don't know. I'm going through the gigs. I already know why. I'm gonna put Cavity in my lower lash line. It's gonna be that type of look. It's gonna be colorful. So get prepared, hoes. It has a lot of kickback, by the way, but it don't matter. I don't care about it. I'm just letting y'all know. Now I'm gonna take the shade Root Canal, which is purple, and I'm gonna put it on my outer V. I'm gonna take the shade Coma, which is right here, and I'm gonna deepen it up a little bit in the the lower lash line. I mean, why can't I say the lower lash line in every fucking eyeshadow video? Like the upper lash line, like really close to the upper lash line. Go back in the shade Cavity. Now I'm just clean up everything. Like no harsh lines. Like really lightly though. Like not a lot. So now I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna take the shade Candy Floss, which is like right here, which is like a pinky shimmery color, and I'm gonna put it on my lid. Look is complete. I'm gonna put some eyeliner and some eyelashes on or mascara on and I'll be right back. Yeah, guys, this is the final look using the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. Look at it. Okay guys, this is the final look and I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like this look. And if you do, you already know what I do, honey. Give it a big old thumbs. Okay guys, I love you guys so much, okay? I love you, my moon babies.